I'm now going to part B. Part B says, find the equation of the tangent and the normal to the curve. The curve is y equals to 3 minus 4x minus 2x squared. At the point of tangency, 1 and negative 3. This is the point of tangency. This is the point where the curve, the tangent, and the normal meet. So, this point is being shared by all the three entities. Now from here, let us start with the tangent. We need to find the equation of the tangent. For us to get the equation of the tangent, we need the gradient of the tangent. To have the equation of the tangent, we need the equation of the curve at the point of tangency. And to get the equation of the curve, we need dy dx. For us to get the equation of the curve, we need the gradient function of the curve at any point on the curve. This now gives us here, if we differentiate 3, get 0. Minus, if we differentiate 4x, it gives us 4. Minus, if we differentiate 12 squared, it gives us 4x. Then we simplify. This gives us a negative 4 minus 4x. This is the gradient function of the curve at any point. And it gives us the gradient of the curve at a given point. So at this point of tangency, you can get the gradient of the curve. Therefore, dy dx at the point of tangency 1 and negative 3 equals to, this is x, this is y. So substitute for x in the gradient function expression. This gives us a negative 4 minus 4 times x, which is 1. What is negative 4 minus 4? This is negative 8. So this is the gradient of the curve at the point of tangency. Now, at the point of tangency, the gradient of the curve is the same as the gradient of the tangent. Therefore, this is the gradient of the tangent. It is negative 8. Now from there, we have the gradient of the tangent, and we have the point of tangency, which is also a point of the tangent. So we can use the gradient n is negative 8 and the point of tangency 1 and negative 3 to get the equation of the tangent. Why? The tangent is a line. So coming to the equation of the tangent, which is a line, we have these 2 points. We have this 1 point and the gradient. And we know that y for a line is mx plus c. Now, this is n, this is x, this is y. Now we need to get c. C is the y-intercept. So, what do we do here? We substitute. Y is negative 3. Negative 3 equals to n is negative 8. Negative 8, x is 1 plus c. Then we make c the subject of the formula. So, negative 8 times 1, taking that side becomes positive. So, negative 3 minus answer. So, c equals to 5. After getting c, then you substitute for n and c to get the equation of the line, which is the equation of the tangent. Therefore, y equals to negative 8x plus 5. This is now the equation of the tangent to the curve at that given point. Now, what do? We need to find the equation of the normal. So, going to the equation of the normal, all markers are describing of the normal. What do we know about the normal and the tangent? The normal is perpendicular to the tangent. So we say, but the normal, this is just for your consumption, but you may leave it out. But the normal is perpendicular to the tangent. And what do we know about perpendicular lines? The product of the gradients of two perpendicular lines is -1. That means m1, m2 is -1. Therefore, m1, m2 equals to -1. Let me call the gradient of the tangent m1. So that if I substitute here -8, m2 equals to -1. Therefore, m2, which is the gradient of the number, becomes 1 out of 8. Now, after getting the gradient of the number, and you know that the normal also passes through the point of tangency, then you can use this point of tangency 1 and -3 and the gradient of the normal, which is 1 out of 8. These two were just put to distinguish between the two gradients. So a normal is also a line given by y equals mx plus c. Substitute this is x, this is y, that is m. That means -3 equals to m. M is 1 out of 8, that means x is 1 plus c. Then we make c the subject of the formula. That means we shall have 1 divided by 8, and we take it that side, it becomes negative. So -3 minus answer. So c is -25 out of 8. Now after getting c, where c is the y-intercept, that is a point on the y-axis, and the normal touches the y-axis. Now it means y equation becomes y equals to n. N is 1 out of 8 x plus c, but c is -25 out of 8. So this one becomes minus. So this is the equation of the normal